Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing and a review of some gel polish products I got from Bon Pretty. So as usual, I was asked to pick the colors I wanted, so I went to their website, picked these colors. These are their new products in the market, and this is the first time I'll be getting their products in this peach colored boxes. I can't wait to see what it was inside. I already saw the colors on the bottle on the website, but I've not seen it physically, so I can't wait to see what inside the box. So these are the colors I chose. I know it says milky jelly, but I don't really know what I should expect. So I'm going to be opening them one after the other to show you guys what it looks like, and I'll be using this gel polish to create a set at the end of the day. Um, so guys, if you're coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a YouTuber and a new content creator currently based in Canada. If you like what you see on my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. So this is the color. This is what it looks like. I think this is reddish, and I discovered that the color on the or the sample or the color on the cover of the bottle is what is inside. So this is color. This is 11, and it looks bluish. So let's see what's inside this one as well. Okay, I think I got it right. It's a bluish, almost jelly nudish colors. So I think this looks like, they have this jelly nude series, and it's more of like natural gel polish colors for the nails. I've used them and I love their colors, especially color 3 and color 4, because this actually suits dark skinned people. So this is similar to that, but it's just that these are colored. They're green, they have yellow. This is the greenish one. I think I picked blue, red, purple, and black or something like that. So I know I've seen the red, I've seen the blue, I've seen the green. So I think the remaining will be in the black and the purple. So I don't know what I should create with this, because this is the first time I'm getting something like this. Okay, this is the purple, yeah. Even though they are both color 10, I don't know why they are both color 10. The 10 is written on the cover, but they are not the same color. That kind of confused me in the beginning. I was like, why does it have the same number? But the colors the color on the lid separated the contents in the bottle. So I think the last one is the black, yes. So it says milky jelly, and it just says the number. Then you see the color in the background. That's the color that you find inside. So first of all, I love this bottle, the way this bottle is crafted. The ridges on the side, the color of the bottle is like a peach color. I love the bottle. I love the size of the polish. It's 15 mils bottle. I love the fact that it's 15 mils, because if I like it, that means I'm going to have it for a longer time. Because if it's 7 mils, that means it's also finished quick. Like their regular jelly nude is usually 7 mil. So I love this color. I love the gold. I love the fact that the lid is gold. So I'm going to be leaving the link to these products in from their website in my description box, so you can click on those links and go to their website to buy any one you like. You can also use my discount code Mr. Polish to get some discount off any item you purchase on the Bon Pretty website. So these are the colors I have. I've shown you guys. I'm just showing you guys again so you can see it. I'll be using these 5 colors on all the 5 fingers of my model's fingernails. I'll be using foil sheets. I've had this foil sheet for a while. I've had it for more than 5 years. And when I was about making these, because I had the black one, I was thinking, okay, what color will reflect well under the black milky jelly? I just had to go with gold. So I'll be using the blue for the blue milky jelly, the green for the green one, the red for the red one as well. And I'll be using the gold for the black milky jelly, because that should kind of reflect under the black jelly color. Before I started recording this video, I already polished the black gel polish on my model's fingernails, as I was showing you, and I'll be applying my nail foil transfer gel on the model's nails. This foil transfer gel is from Born Pretty as well. I've had it for a while. So after applying the foil transfer gel, I'll be curing it in a UV lamp for 60 seconds. Before I cure it in the UV lamp, I'll be using like a nail art brush to kind of make an uneven pattern, around the transfer foil gel. I don't want it to have like a defined edge. I want it to have like a rough edge around the foil after I transfer the foil. That's why I'm using this nail art brush to kind of give it that look, So after that, like I said, I'll be curing it in a UV lamp for 60 seconds, and I'll be using the individual colors on all the fingers, 5 colors on the 5 fingernails, before I use the Milky jelly on it. So it's going to kind of, so it looks like a kind of a see-through polish, but it's just that it is colored. So I've cured it for 60 seconds. I brought it out, and I'm just putting my foil, transferring my foil on the nails. And the good thing I love about the Milky jelly polish is that even though it's a little bit pigmented, you can still see through them, as you would see in this tutorial when I'm done. So if you want to do a design, any design, and you want to cover it up with some kind of color, and you want your design to still show through those colors, instead of you to kind of, sometimes we mix gel polish, like a base coat, with any color we want, and we just kind of form that consistency. But you don't have to do that. You can use this, and it's going to give you exact same thing that you need. So I don't need to cure this after transferring my foil. I'm just going to be applying those Milky jelly need on it straight away. So I showed you the other one, so you see the difference in the black one and the one I already applied my transfer foil. So this is the purple color, which is the color 10, the Milky jelly. Can you see? It's just kind of I think even I lighted the color of the foil and gave it a different look entirely. It's not too in your face, it's just kind of hides the transfer foil a bit and gives it a, what will I say now, like a tush, or like a sophisticated look. So it's not too in your face, So I'm going to do that, just a coat of the Milky jelly nude on all the 5 fingers, and I'm going to be curing it for 60 seconds before I apply the top coat. And I think that will be all I have to say. Don't forget to click on the link to the product in my description box to see the products that I used. Also, don't forget to share the video link to anyone you think might be interested in learning something new. If you like what you see on my channel, like I said, you are coming across this channel for the first time and you're like, okay, I like what she's doing, don't also forget to click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Till next time that I'll come here again to give you another tutorial on any new product I'll be using. Stay blessed and have a beautiful week. Bye.
Mystic Empire.
I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae for my blues and rhythm now. Oh, I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. Hey, you see this life, working very hard to get the best life, living every day like it's the last thing, you know it. Following my dreams on a whim to the fullest. They say you can't do this, no, it's impossible, yes, you quit. But with God by my side, I can do all things. I've got joy unspeakable, faith unshakable, peace untouchable, fire of the Holy Ghost. You can spoil the way that I'm feeling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, spoil my blues and rhythm now. I like the way I'm feeling now. I might get something when it stress me, but right now I'm chilling now. I like the way I'm feeling now. No, come use your reggae, spoil my blues and